Okay, we spotted this bull. He's about 400 or 500 yards over this rise up here. We spotted him from the top of that grassy knob up there. He's been grazing down here on this meadow, so we're going to slip up there and see if we can't get in close enough for a shot. Hit him again. This is the last elk hunt for the season, and it's a nice way to finish, that's for sure. He's a beauty. What a magnificent animal. I'm guessing he's probably going to score between 340 and 350. He's a magnificent animal. And for your first elk,
I appreciate it, man.
You're most welcome.
I had a great
welcome,
time.
Brendan.
What a great time. We worked for it. We deserve this puppy. You worked for it. I tagged along, pulled the trigger. What a great hunt.
Has been good, hasn't it?